In a world where hiccups were a sign of hidden potential, people eagerly awaited their first hiccup. One day, a young dreamer felt the familiar twitch. "What does it mean?" they asked the wise elder. "It means your heart is ready to leap," the elder replied. Inspired, the dreamers set out to explore their talents. Each hiccup became a reminder of their untapped abilities. "Embrace the hiccup," the elder advised, "for it signals growth." With each hiccup, the dreamer discovered new strengths, realizing that sometimes the smallest interruptions lead to the greatest journeys.